What you're seeing right now happen in under 3 seconds. That is a living organism's immediate response to something I introduced to this slide. It's an energy drink, one of the most popular ones in the country. Can you guess which one? Some of us drink these things every single day, but what are they actually doing to living biology? Red Bull, Celsius, Monster. I fed all 3 of these drinks to live rotifers under the microscope. These little guys react to chemical stress immediately, same way our cells do. Folks, you gotta watch this. Okay, so here's how I'm doing it. I'm introducing Red Bull with red food coloring so you guys can see it a little better on the side of the slide, just like this. And we'll see what happens. So here's the slide, and I found a rotifer. And this guy I found in my backyard in an old flower pot with old water. So I extracted him from that. Here comes the first blast right there. So this is Red Bull. And this is the first shot. And watch him. Immediately he goes into a ball. He is protecting himself right now. So when a rotifer balls up like that, it's not death, it's his defense. These little guys, they've been on this planet for over 50 million years. They've survived ice ages, mass extinctions, everything the Earth has thrown at them. That ball is how they do it. They shut everything down to protect themselves from whatever just hit them. So think of it like a turtle pulling in its shell. The problem is, with Red Bull, they never came back out. So I blew it up to 400 times for you guys, and you can actually see inside this little guy, that dark mass right there is the stomach. And right above it is the mastex. Basically, it's jaw, grinding up food before it even hits the stomach. You see those orange things right there? Those are eggs. So this rotifer is literally reproducing while we're watching. And that movement you see is the gut muscles pushing food through the digestive tract. Jaws, stomach, muscles, eggs, all inside something you can't even see without a microscope. So before I move on to the next energy drink, remember the reaction from this rotifer. Now this was Red Bull, and he is still in a ball. That's his protective measure. So let's move on to the next energy drink. I almost forgot to show you guys, but this slide was Red Bull, and I flooded it. So yeah, this guy was living right in the middle of this thing. Now folks, Monster Energy, #1 selling energy drink in the country. 160 milligrams of caffeine, artificial dyes, sodium benzoate as a preservative, and this is the one everybody assumes is the worst. Let's see what the rotifers think. Okay, our second test subject. This guy is gonna test Monster Energy. Let's see how he does. And same thing, I found him in the old flower pot in the backyard with old water from like 2 weeks ago from a rain. But let's see what happens when we introduce Monster Energy to this guy. Now remember what happened to the previous rotifer with Red Bull. There it is. There is Monster Energy drink I just introduced. I put some red food coloring in it, and what do you guys see? Nothing. He's continuing on. He's not going into a ball like the last rotifer with Red Bull, and it seems like he's not phased at all. And I hit him good with it. I blasted him, and you saw that wave, right? So I'm gonna give him another blast and see how he does. So here comes, there it is. That's the second blast, the second wave, and I hit him again hard. But look at him. Either this rotifer is Captain America or he's very resilient, but it seems like Monster did not affect him. So let me zoom in on this dude and see what's going on inside of him. Here he is at 400 times, and he's very active. It's hard to keep up with him on the deck. I'm sliding back and forth, but he looks okay. I mean, doesn't look like he has a full stomach, but the good news for him, he's moving, and he's moving quick. I don't see any adverse, side effects or him twitching around or going into a ball. So I'm gonna hit him again, you guys, so watch this. Okay, here comes the third shot right there. You see it? Let me focus. And he hasn't changed conditions. He's still moving around, and he has not curled up into a ball and trying to hide. I don't see him moving fast. He's active, which is good. So just remember this. What does this say about Red Bull? And you guys saw it. You saw the rotifer curl up like immediately with Red Bull, and he never came back out. So what's in Red Bull as opposed to Monster? So let me zoom in just one more time here to take one last look, then we'll move over to Celsius. Okay, again, 400 times, and looks like our rotifer is doing well. moving around a lot. He's not eating, he's not foraging or anything like that, but he is moving and he's a no ball. So good news for Monster, and the good news for the individuals that drink Monster, great job. I think Monster passed with flying colors. Let's move over to Celsius. All right, you crazy lab rats, this is Celsius. No artificial preservatives, no artificial dyes. They market this as a healthy energy drink, but look at this, 200 milligrams of caffeine plus guarana on top of that. That's the highest stimulant load of all 3 drinks we tested. Remember what Red Bull did instantly? I don't think so. So folks, look at this little guy before I introduce anything. You see that spinning motion at the top? Those are cilia. That's his corona. He's spinning those to create a current that pulls food directly into his mouth. And you ask, what's he eating right now? It's kind of weird, but he's eating bacteria, algae, dead organic matter. Basically, he's a tiny vacuum cleaner cleaning up everything around him. And that food goes down into the mastics. Remember that jaw we saw earlier? It grinds it up, passes it to the stomach, nutrients get absorbed in the intestine, and whatever he doesn't need, it gets collected in a bladder and passed out. Folks, this little guy has been doing this exact same thing for over 50 million years. Now watch what happens when we introduce Celsius to this slide. Okay, I just put Celsius on the slide and boom, right there. So just watch him. Seems like he's doing okay right now. He's still eating, his mastics is still pumping, but watch very closely, you guys. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Boom, there he goes. He went into a ball, which is scary. So remind you, this is Celsius. It took this guy roughly, 8 seconds before he realized that there's something wrong with his environment, something changed, and he's pissed off. He doesn't like it. Watch, he'll try to come out a little bit, I can't tell, but right here, and he'll go back inside. He's testing the water per se, but guess what? He doesn't like it. Let's see if I can zoom in and see what's going on inside him. Okay, we're at 400 times, and take a look, you guys. This dude is checked out. He's done. So he is dormant. Now, there's 2 there. The one we focused on is to the left, but there's one on the right, and that one is doing the same thing. He or she is in a ball, and this is their survival mode. This is how they do it. So let me zoom in on this guy we've been looking at here, and there you go. He's dormant. He's not even sniffing, he's not moving, nothing. So whatever is in Celsius, you guys, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm not saying this is good or bad or anything, but I look at biology and I look at how animals react to certain things, and this is not a good reaction. So take this for what it's worth, and let's do a side-by-side comparison so we can get a visual on it. So here you go, Red Bull left, middle's Monster, right is Celsius. I slowed them down so you guys can take a look and remember what happened. So Red Bull stays, Celsius stays inside, and Monster swimming. Hey, you crazy lab rats, I have a special guest today, my grandson Carson. Say hi to everybody.
What's up?
All right, listen, Red Bull, you saw it. The guy never came out. Once I introduced it, he stuck in his shell, he was done. Celsius, 8 seconds, the same result. Monster, that little guy, did not even flinch, he loved it. And the #1 selling energy drink, and the Rotifer was completely unbothered. The one with the health halo shut them down in 8 seconds. Carson, what's up with that? Why did that guy curl up in a ball?
He didn't like the flavor of the drink.
What drink was that? Was that
Red Bull.
Why didn't you like Red Bull? It's weird. What's in that stuff, right? I don't know, but I'm telling you right now, he didn't like it. The Rotifer did not like it. I think once it hit him, he went into this little ball like a turtle, you know, and that was it. He was done. So in my book, and I think it's in my grandson Carson's book, I think the clear winner is, don't show him yet. All right, Carson, I want you to give the audience your professional science lab report on who you think tolerated the energy drink the most.
Monster.
Monster?
Because the guy in the energy drink, he really liked Monster, and he didn't curl in a ball like the other drinks, like Red Bull and what was the other drink?
Oh, Celsius.
Celsius.
So yeah, he said, I mean, Celsius is supposed to be like the best for you for energy drinks, right? But it took the Rotifer, 8 seconds before he actually went into his cocoon, his ball, and that was it. He checked out for the day. He was done. So anyways, I just want to let you know what happened. Watch this video right here. It's rotifers against baby food. The rotifer is going to show you all about the best baby food and which one they didn't like. So it's a pretty cool video. Anyways, say bye, Carson.
Bye-bye.
And tell them that subscribe.
Subscribe too.
Go, subscribe or what?
Subscribe or you will be unsubscribers.
Ooh, we don't want that. Those are the unsubscribers. And the bad comments? Come on, you guys. All right, high five.
No bad comments.
High five.